Use of preposition in English. There are the main type of preposition. Preposition of location and place. Preposition of time. Preposition of manner. Use of preposition of location. The preposition of location are in, on, at, between, under, beside. In, used to describe an area or volume, such as in the Pacific may be the area of water, in the crowd the volume of the people. Sentence example: he lives in London. Here, in is our preposition of location. At, used to describe a point or location, such as at home, at the airport. Sentence examples: I will meet you at the school. So here, school is our specific point, so we used here preposition of at. On, used to describe a surface, such as on the table, on the chair. Sentence example: the books are on the table. Here, on is our preposition of location in terms of surface. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are words that indicate when something happens, such as in a specific time, date, or period. Most common prepositions of time are in, on, and at. In, used to discuss for months, seasons, years, centuries, general times of a day and for period of time, such as in the past, in summer. Sentence examples: in the afternoon I do activities. Here, in is our preposition of time because afternoon is a general time of a day. Second, her birthday comes in April. Here, in is also a preposition used for a month. On, used to discuss certain days of a week, specific dates and special days, such as on Monday, on New Year. Sentence examples: we have a test on Monday. My birthday is on 15th of May. 15th of May is a specific date. At, used to discuss clock times, holidays and festivals and very specific frame of time, such as at night, at 5 o'clock. Sentence examples: I love the festive atmosphere at Christmas. I will eat noodles at night. Preposition of manner. A word that used to show how something happened or done. Some common prepositions of manner are by, with, like. By, used to describe actions and followed by a gerund and a noun. Sentence example: he will die by sword. With, used to describe objects or tool to achieve something. Sentence example: she painted the picture with great care.